Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this manual juicer, and I'll tell you there's a few things that I really like about this. Also, I'm going to share with you a couple tips that'll be important depending on the size of your lemon. So let's jump into it. Number one, I like the fact that this is all metal. There's no plastic parts, especially with this hinge right in here, because if that's not solid and you're crushing lemons, you're going to have an issue. So overall, it's lightweight and it is so much easier than trying to squeeze lemon by your hand. So the smaller ones are usually the easiest. Those can be cut in half and squeezed pretty easily, but I like to get the bigger ones because obviously you get more juice. So what I typically do is I will cut this into 3 pieces instead of just in half. And what I'll do is I'll put this face down right here in the juicer, and then I'll have a bowl and I will squeeze this out and get the juice out of it. But then what I'll do is I'll hold on to this one for just a second and I'll do the other side. Same thing, just put that in there and squeeze down here. Pretty simple. Some will spray out a little bit. And then next, I'll use the bigger piece. And as you can see, this one's right on the edge. It could almost be cut in half again, but it does work. And if they're bigger pieces, you want to squeeze them a little bit slower so they don't spray everywhere. And then what I found to kind of get the most out of it is I'll put this back in. See, I'll put it in this way. And now look how much more still comes out here. And then what I'll do is I'll take that center piece out and I'll put that first piece back in again here. And what you'll find is you'll get the most juice if you do it this way. And I usually put it right into a plastic bowl, and that way it's right in here. I can take my gallon of water, and I do this on a regular basis, squeeze the bowl, and there it is. Now I have my fresh lemon water for the day. Overall, I love this. It's been extremely handy. I actually bought a second one so that when I'm at home, I have this one, and when I'm traveling, I have another one because I really like my lemon water. So definitely recommend this.